guess we'll pull it out. Alright, so my wood truck had a bad day last year getting wood. We got stuck and floated the valves pretty hard, and I think a valve kissed a piston or something went south inside, but it misses really hard on one cylinder. Well, it doesn't run at all on one cylinder. So it's getting closer to wood season and I got lots of projects going and I got a free weekend. So I'm going to put a derby car motor in here, see if we can't make it run again so I can haul wood. She doesn't run too good at all. I don't know what it's got. It's got problems. But this motor in here is basically brand new. It's been ran one time in the derby, never got hot. So we'll put it in today. It's got a cam in it, some good heads on it. It'll haul wood. Get the radiator out, fan off, motor mounts, power steering. We got to put a new box on it too. This box is junk. Headers got to come off. Then we can pull it. Stuff to do to it. See, it's almost out of the slip. Exhaust is broke. We got a little work to do to the old girl. There's that. I guess we'll pull it out. Get that leak out before it leaks all over the floor. Okay, one motor is out. Mine with derby wheel. Gonna have to go to K-Nab probably. Alright, we're on our way to K-Nab to the auto parts store to get us a throwout bearing so we can get this dang thing put back together. We'll see if they got what we need. Well, they had it. We'll go home and put it together. That bolt was put in, and then this thing was welded together. It doesn't seem to want to fit it. One bolt down. See if we can get this bolt out. Get the bolt out, take the starter off. Maybe some vice grippers. Nope. That's not happening. Can't get it to go? Force it. Oh, that's all mangled. We're gonna have to change that. That's mangled. We're gonna have to take that off of that one, because I'll bet that breaks as soon as I bend it back. Somebody must got a little rowdy when they pulled it out of the car last. Maybe it didn't break. Maybe we'll try it. It's brand new. We had a bolt that was a little tough. I don't know why, but it just broken. Yep. We're gonna weld a nut to that son of a buck. Okay, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna put that nut on it and weld it on so we can twist it out. Hopefully it got it hot. It'll just come right out of there. Doesn't feel like it's gonna. Feel like it's gonna break. And it did. I'll go find another one. Nope. Twisted it one turn. That's for a little heat up into that thing. Dang it. Try to make this tip. Well. There we go. Now maybe we can make something happen here. Moves a little. Doesn't look like I got a real center. I think number 6 is not going to do it. Oh, I'm going to have to get serious here. That'll go. Well, it's flush. This is it. Big one. Didn't get much weld on that one. See if I can. I really want to arc it through the bearings, but I'm getting. Hopefully she'll still start when we're done. Alright, we're officially done with that. This one's only gonna have 2 in it. Good enough for what we're doing. The wood truck will only need them, right? Yeah. I guess. Sender. Well, that was broke. This day's not going according to plan. Coming out though, it wasn't too big a deal. Perfect. Drill that hole out right there so my power steering pump will bolt on. Perfect. Put a little Loctite on them so they don't ever come out. Flywheel. That'd be a bad day. Alright, she's on. This clutch came out of a derby car I ran. We're kind of building this with spare parts just because we got them. No need to waste money on new stuff. This is all pretty new stuff. Only got ran for 30 minutes probably in its whole life, so it's pretty new. Alright, if this comes out, we're ready. Alright. Had to take one of the clamshells off to get the motor to drop in, but it went. Alright, we about got this motor finished. Well, finished close enough to see if it'll run. It hasn't ran for a long time, so we're gonna crank it over and see if it'll fire. Alright, we had a bad connector right here. Okay, well, we fixed that wire. I think it's gonna start. We'll give her a whirl. But it's not, it's a wood truck. Okay. What's funny is how this thing just freaking lit. Like it was running yesterday, man. It just started. Wants to run, it didn't want to be sitting on the shop floor. Change that belt. Well, I gotta take that belt off, put that on it. I cannot get attacked by bees right here. What's going on? So the steering box has been leaking out of this bottom shaft for a long time, and I've just been pouring oil in it. But since we got one, I guess we're gonna change it. Like so. Alright, junkified right there.